Hi, this is the Nokia 220 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the menu, scroll down and find the settings. Go to the settings, then here click to the personalization, select it, scroll to the sounds, tap on it, and here we could change the phone ringtone. Just tap to select and select one from these available sounds. By the same way you can switch the message alert. Let's go back. We could turn on or turn off the vibration. Just click here to change, to activate or turn off this option. By the same way to activate or turn off the notification sounds and the warnings option. And also we could switch here the volume of the calls and notifications by press left or right button, and then you'll see here a keypad volume also, and you could also turn it on, turn it off, or just to switch it by press to the left or right button. And that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Nokia phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.